Actually, during periods, uterus is contracting downwards so that all the period blood is removed out of the body. But when you do during periods, uterus starts to contract in the upward direction. This is disastrous. Curious about the PEEP thing? That thing which can push a girl towards a painful disease called endometriosis. But before I uncover that thing, you need to know what a girl goes through during periods. Girls themselves don't know that they go through extreme hormonal fluctuations each month, unlike boys who have a static level of sexual hormone called testosterone throughout their life. Female reproductive organ is called uterus, right here, and two ovaries similar to the testes which boys have outside their bodies. Periods or menstruation is a monthly cycle, approximately of 28 days, divided in the midline by ovulation, which means release of an egg. Each month, first day of menses of any girl is day 1 of her cycle. Period blood is actually shedding of the innermost wall of the uterus. The sad thing is that many men in different societies of the world don't care about the menstruation phase. They don't have this awareness that in periods, women are in fatigue, pain, low hormone, low sex drive, but still men demand sexual intercourse from their female partners. Actually, during periods, uterus is contracting downwards so that all the period blood is removed out of the body. But when you do sexual intercourse during periods, uterus starts to contract in the upward direction. This is disastrous, as you are actually messing with the hormones and biology of a woman. And literally, you are ruining the life of your female partner if you are doing sexual intercourse during her periods. Because of this bad contraction, blood will leak from the tubes and can deposit outside the uterus and can cause endometriosis, which is a painful disease, and it can cause infertility. Researches show that how the chances of sexually transmitted diseases like AIDS, pelvic inflammatory disease, and vaginal infections increase if you do sexual intercourse during menses or periods. So girls, never ever let any man to destroy your health by allowing him to do sexual intercourse during periods. And if you really want to embrace your true femininity, you need to protect your physical, mental, and sexual hygiene. During periods, a woman is at her lowest and all she needs is emotional support. From latest researches, we know today that showing love, care, affectionate touch, giving chocolates and flowers to a woman during menses release endorphins in the body, which are natural painkillers. Endorphins are happy hormones which can ease the pain and discomfort of periods. And dear men, you need to educate yourselves that true essence of masculinity is not in the muscles, but in the ability to show love, care, and kindness towards women. Have you guys wondered that why in many ancient mythologies the sun has been referred to men and the moon has been referred to women? Because women have fertile period in the middle of their cycle, just like phases of the moon, which slowly grows and comes to its peak at 14th day, just like the thickness of the inner wall of uterus, which slowly peaks in middle cycle days and slowly sheds off. As if the women have monthly cycle changes like the moon having mid-cycle peak and men having stable hormone levels throughout their life like a sun. So a man should learn to respect the hormonal and emotional changes of his female partner by letting her body heal during periods and realize that women cannot be the same throughout the month. Now Gen Z, we have to use our own brain and intellect to study every medical fact and researches by ourselves. We must challenge every practice and every custom of the previous generations and not be a naive generation, just like the sheep who follow the herd, and stop repeating the blunders of previous generations. And remember, there is no charm in going against the system of nature.